The Cubist art movement was pioneered by Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque beginning in 1907. Pablo Picasso in particular was heavily influenced by the African masks that he saw in museums. The designs and symbols on the masks often convey a specific message or meaning to the viewer. These African masks were characterized by bold, abstract designs. These masks challenged traditional European notions about physical representation. Similar to African masks, Cubist portraiture breaks down the face into simplified geometric shapes. These fragmented shapes often depict multiple viewpoints simultaneously. Instead of attempting to depict an object in a realistic manner, such as you would see in a photograph, Cubist artwork simplifies and distorts an image to capture its essence. Thanks for watching. It would be a huge support to me if you would subscribe. Be sure to check out the other amazing art lessons and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.